Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we will talk about coronavirus, basically why cases are rising and when will we see a decline. So to understand the situation of Pan India during this pandemic, we have to look in the situation of different states one by one. So let's start with the worst hit state, which happens to be Maharashtra. Maharashtra currently has more than 1,45,000 active cases, but we can see the situation of the state restoring back a bit as Mumbai has already flattened the curve. The problem happens to be the surrounding cities like Pune and Thane. They have been seeing a steep rise since July, but according to me, Maharashtra is very close to peaking as both cities have already had a huge number of cases and we may see a decline very soon. According to me, Maharashtra will see its peak in early August and start to flatten by. Now let's talk about the second worst hit state, which is Tamil Nadu. Even Tamil Nadu has been seeing continuous rise in the growth rate, but the good thing is the positivity rate, which has not increased. The state has been testing very well compared to the other states, and the capital city Chennai has already seen its peak. But other big cities like Madurai, which is in lockdown, has been contributing to the rising numbers, but the CM of the state has said that they will soon see a decline in the curve. So according to me, the state will see a peak in early August, just like Maharashtra. Now let's talk about the capital city, Delhi. It looks like the capital has won the fight with Corona. They have already flattened the curve and the cases are consecutively going down. As the CM Arvind Kejriwal said, the situation in the capital is restoring and we might see a full-fledged flattening probably in mid-August. Now let's talk about another states, Andhra and Uttar Pradesh. Both the states have been doing pretty well, but still they have seen a sharp rise in cases, and that is because of testing. Both the states have increased testing many folds in the past few weeks, especially Andhra. So as I think Andhra will see a peak in the first week of August and Uttar Pradesh will see a peak in late August. Now let's talk about the problem areas of the country, which happens to be the Bihar and Bengal state. Both the states have been very poor when it comes to testing. They have not ramped up testing and surely the numbers will increase once they do. So it is very difficult to say when the states will see their peak currently. So as far the Pan India testing goes, we have been testing around 3.5 lakh on an average until last week. This week we have tested around 4.2 lakh on an average basis, and the HRD minister of our country has said that in the next coming few weeks we'll be testing around 1 million per day. So there has been drafted a plan to ramp up testing, but it is still not enough. If we look at other countries like US, which have been similarly very worst hit like us, they have been testing much more. If we look at the per million population, even Italy tested around 2 lakh per million population, but India is still testing around 10,000 per million population. So the per million population testing have been very low in our country. In the early part of our pandemic, in March and April, we tested around only 1,000 people every day, whereas other countries like South Korea, which have been significantly successful in this fight, basically focused around testing. They tested very well than our. So if you liked my video, please subscribe to my channel, and we will soon come with a video of other states' situation during this pandemic and when will India see a peak. So that is it for today. Thank you.